Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust sales taxes in QuickBooks Online. If you want to stay on top of your tax management and keep your finances organized, this is a feature you'll definitely want to know. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at your dashboard. It's the control center for everything inside QuickBooks. On the left-hand side, click on Taxes. This section gives you an overview of your tax obligations and is the place where you'll manage all your tax settings. Next, click on Manage Tax Categories. Here you can organize and customize your tax categories to match the needs of your business. Taking a few minutes to set this up properly will make filing much easier and help prevent errors later on. Once you've finished, click Done. Now go back to the main taxes page and select Tax Settings. This is where you control how your taxes are applied and calculated in QuickBooks. If you need to make changes, just click Edit, adjust the tax rates or settings as needed, and then click Save. This step makes sure your adjustments are locked in and applied correctly across your transactions. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your sales tax settings in QuickBooks Online. With these changes in place, you'll be able to manage your taxes more smoothly and keep your records accurate. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.